As an added feature to this electric motor repair channel, subscribers are entitled to special discounts. When purchasing electric motor repair books, the books can be purchased directly from our website, twmmediaservices.com. Subscribers to this channel receive a 25% discount on orders.
Repairing electric motors require more knowledge than just looking at videos. As an example, what are nameplates and what is all of the information stamped on it? Is the information understood? Warnings. Can the motor be damaged or are personnel in danger if not done correctly? Such as, understanding lead wire sizes and connections that may pose a danger to the motor or people. Fully understand what is necessary to test, record and the dangers associated with its testing. This looks simple, but knowledge is the answer and the key to just do the right job, the right way and to do it safely. What is the correct procedure to clean rotors and armatures? Hot water or cold water? What air pressure? What cleaner to use, without damaging windings? What is correct dry out time and at what temperature? Concerns with dry out? These have to be asked and understood before doing anything. Determining end play in electric motors is critical. How much for the standard ball bearing motors? How much for sleeve bearings? What is the correct shaft runout tier? What are the internal clearances of bearing housings? Or journal sizes? How do I know what is damaged in DC field core assembly, if I do not know what is what? And what the what has to be, without knowing the basics? What is the best way to burn out the windings of an AC motor without damaging the core? How to check the core for damage? What is the best way to remove a winding from an armature? How to prevent lamination damage? What are the hands-on procedures that need to be done while winding AC electric motors? What are the insulation systems? And so much more. What are field coils? Shunt, series, compound? How to do the test and ensure that the windings are good? What are the different armature windings type? What about insulation grades, dummy coils or equalizers? How to ensure proper testing of small, medium and large DC motors? What are the safety precautions while testing? What are commutation issues and how to resolve? What are slip ring motors? What are the motors used for? How to test? So many questions, so many different types of electric motors. So many unanswered questions. So many videos uploaded cannot show everything. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and get 25% discount off your total order today. The training material that we sell. Order the books through our website at twmmediaservices.com.
Learn electric motor inspection and testing techniques. Introducing a new edition of Electric Motor Inspection and Testing Technical Handbook, which covers motors from 1/4 horsepower to over 5,000. Topics covers the inspecting and testing of the insulation system, checking the continuity and measuring the resistances of the windings. It recommends the acceptable allowable readings and values associated with test results, surge testing and high potting, both AC and DC windings. Also give tips and techniques of how to test run AC motors, outlining what the no load amperes, the temperature limits of the bearing. The motors can range in horsepower from hundreds to thousands, including synchronous, vertical, and other specially designed motors. Servo motors and encoders, resolvers, and tachometers, commutators and commutation issues, including slip rings, and permanent magnet direct current motors. Medium and large size direct current motors, with field coils, and armatures are clearly covered within the material. Core loss testing, of both AC rotors, and DC armatures are also discussed. Preforming, a core loss test on AC motor cores. Various types of AC rotors are also discussed within the material covered. Tech Book Number 1, Inspection and Testing of AC and DC Electric Motors. 223 pages of inspection and testing procedures, used in most repair shops today, plus tips and techniques information sheets. Tech Book Number 2, AC Electric Motor Repair, 230 pages of electric motor repair procedures and techniques, plus tips and techniques, information sheets. Tech Book Number 3, DC Electric Motor Repair, 215 pages of DC electric motor repair procedures and techniques, plus tips and techniques information sheets. Tech Book Number 4, Armature Winding and Repair, 206 pages of mush coil and form coil, armature winding and repair procedures, plus tips and techniques information sheets. Tech Book Number 5, AC 3-Phase Electric Motor Winding Procedures. The book has 228 pages of technical procedures for rewinding random and form coil motors. It also includes tips and techniques associated with winding, testing of mush and form coil rotors. The books are also available in PDF format, on DVD. The series also has 2 different DVDs titled Electric Motor Repair Disc 1. It covers both AC and DC motors. The second DVD, Electric Motor Repair Disc 2. It covers overhauling large DC motors. For more information, go to our website at twmmediaservices.com or email us at twmenterprises@rogers.com.